How to share a pet on Widgetable. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Widgetable. Once you do that, navigate to the Pets section. When you are there, you will see the co-parenting option, which is the sharing option. At the top right corner, go ahead and click on it. You will get this pop-up page at the bottom that has two options. The first one is to share an egg or pet with your friend when you invite him or her for co-parenting. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you will be able to select a pet or an egg and invite a friend for co-parenting by sharing the link or code, which what we will see later in the video. The second option is to enter the co-parenting code from your friend. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you will be able to enter the code shared with you by a friend once you are invited as co-parent. Now let's go back to the pet section to see how it's done. Since I currently don't have any pets, I'm going to share an egg, but the process is the same for both of them. Click on the desired egg or pet. Once you do that, you will get to this page. At the bottom, you will see the sharing option, which is co-parenting. Click on invite. As soon as you do that, you will get this pop-up window from which you can select a name for your pet and you. Once you do that, click on invite a friend. As soon as you do that, you will get this pop-up window from which you can share the code or link with your friend. Keep in mind that the valid time for this process is 24 hours, and after you bound, consent from both sides is required to end it. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to share a pet on Widgetable. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.